Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face.
Once again, judges, that's the uniform of the Philippines. Now, let me call on the uniform for the let's see how the side view, please.
Wow!
With the Pakistan flag at the right side, okay? Back view. Oh, their logo is reading one. Yeah, how over talaga guys? Okay, front view ulit. Yes, champions, that's the uniform of the now, the uniform of the Gold Eagles! Judges, that's the uniform of the Gold Eagles! This season. Okay, side view ladies. Okay, back view. Okay, the uniform. Miss Myra is saying the uniform. Okay? Back view again. Thank you so much. That's the uniform of our Golders. Okay, the uniform of the real team this season, Rising Star! Rising Star for Team Barbie. Barbie sila, everything. Okay. Front view, Rising Star uniform. I love the color pink. Okay, side view guys, side view.
Baka masilang kayo niyan!
Okay, back view. And front view again. Harap na sa judges na magpasalamat. Thank you! That's the uniform for the Rising Star! And now, the uniform for the Philippines! Mga people of the season, that's the uniform! Mga alalayan kayo, go the Philippines! Philippines' uniform is always yellow. And the mascot, PNP! Open up also here! Dito kayo? Dito kayo.
Straight out now! Straight out to the bed! Thank you!
Okay, that's the uniform of Philippines front view. Wow, the kids and the mascot. Okay, back view. the uniform has two uniforms, the red one and the black one. And now back to you again. Thank you so much, Kitty. That ends our volleyball uniforms and basketball uniforms. Ready na ba ang ating mga results? If not ready yet, may I call out to open our program, to formally open our 50th season basketball league. May I call out the unbeatable, of course, the beautiness of none other than Mama Alma. Please, official opener, Oscar. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Sports committees, team managers, team coaches, players, good morning. Today, September 13, 2024, we officially open our 5th season basketball volleyball league. Inaasahan po namin ang iyong pagsuporta na naman po sa 5th season. Thank you sa inyong kooperasyon. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Mariana. Thank you so much to our judges.
Meron sila mga certificate?
So now our judges are calculating the scores who will win the best in uniforms and the best in youth in this season. Thank you so much. Again, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our guest and also our foreign guest is here. Thank you so much. Our mga kabayan, thank you so much for attending our official opening. Thank you, thank you. Yan, ang mga nanonood, guys. Hep, hep, hooray tayo dyan. Hep, hep! Ayan, oh, yung linya. Sino kayo mga nangyari? Ayan, ang mga naglinya na. Thank you so much. Before we're going to announce, I would like to call Sir June to give a deep plaque of appreciation to our judges. Sir June, the Commissioner and the Board of Advisors of Filipino Community Organization in our field for the standard. May I call on Mr. Raj to please be in front. Sir Raj. To be in front, please. I would like to acknowledge Sir Raj. This plaque of appreciation. This plaque of appreciation is given to Rogelio P. Lelis Jr. in recognition of unwavering support for the Philippines' 5th seasons of Basketball and Volleyball League 2024. Thank you for being an integral part of this successful tournament signed by the Mirador Santa Rosa Philcoms League Head Commissioner and Board of Advisors. Thank you, Sir Raj. Thank you also to Ma'am Myra Soros. Thank you so much. Teacher guys, and thank you to our board of the panel of judges. Miss Ace, this is your morning. Thank you so much to our judges. Without you, the competition would not be possible. Now is the awarding of the Best in Uniforms. Best in Use pala, Best in Use. Is that ready? Best in Uniform, Best in Use. Best in Use. Best in Use in a volleyball team. A collaborative score total from the judges. Total of 116 points goes to Creepy. Good job! Congratulations!